Friday, Christina Stifler, Legal, This is Mr. Tenon before the court, Your Honor. I believe everyone's been let in from the waiting room. Ms. Bridegan is appearing to be a Zoom. I'll make sure that occurs.
Hold on just one moment.
Yes.
Oh, yes, okay. Yes, sir. Good morning, Ms. Schwartz.
And good morning, Your Honor. Julie Schlax appearing on behalf of Mr. Tenon. Your Honor, we did file on Friday a motion to withdraw his previously entered plea, and the court was kind enough to place the case on the calendar this morning for us to determine when during the week the court had time to do that.
Okay. What's your availability?
Your Honor, anytime this week I can make happen.
I thought we could do it this morning, Your Honor, if it's okay with the court.
I'm fine with that.
It's
Certainly.
defensive of that.
Certainly, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you want Mr. Tenon to be seated?
Certainly.
Okay.
So, Ms. Tenon.
Let's just, give me one moment, I'm going to make sure. Okay. Did you take care of that housekeeping matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, so I was looking at the case that was just, I guess, kind of tagging along. There was nothing related to this motion in that 22 case, correct? Okay. All right, so we are operating on the motion that was filed in 23 CF 888. Ms. Schlax.
Yes, Your Honor. On Friday, we did file this motion to withdraw plea pursuant to 3.170 subsection F. And specifically, we're asking this court to use her discretion and allow Mr. Tenon to have a trial on the merits in his case. Your Honor, we have not alleged any wrongdoing. We are just simply asking for the court to use her available discretion, since Mr. Tenon has not been sentenced, to set this case for trial and proceed to trial.
What's a good cause?
We are not articulating the cause, Your Honor. That's why we are simply asking under 3.170 for the court to use her ability to grant a trial on the merits.
Okay.
And the state has no objection to the court granting that motion moving forward with the trial. At the same time, the state is not filing a motion from the state's perspective, to have the defendant's plea agreement undone. And the state will have no objection if the court proceeds to sentencing right now, or in the next few weeks with the defendant. So we leave it up to the court's discretion. We have no objection to the granting of the motion.
So my concern is that I just want to ensure that it's bona fide. That I don't, whatever path to resolution, it obviously does not, I don't care. But I do care about how an individual is charged with a crime wants to resolve his case. So if you don't mind, I'd like to inquire of Mr. Tenon, just to make sure that it's bona fide, and this is what he wants to do, because I'm assuming that the state isn't going to go back and forth as well, like with plea offers. And is there anything that you want to put on the record related to Mr. Tenon's decision for him to consider?
Not from the state's perspective. We're willing to go to sentencing right now, is to be clear, and we're willing for the court to grant it to the trial. And that's the state's position.
All right. All right, Mr. Tenon, if you come forward, please.
Mr. Tenon, will you raise your right hand as best you can, sir? Sir, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, good morning, Mr. Tenon. So the reason, did you understand what I said to your lawyer?
Do I know what?
Did you understand what I said to your lawyer?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about it?
No.
All right, so the reason why you're before me is because there was an information filed in your case, it looks like way back in February 1st of 2023. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. And then after that, there was a plea entered that there was an agreement that was reached by you in the state of Florida in this case, correct?
Yes.
All right. And then your case, ever since I met you, has been kind of tracking along. And then on Friday, there was a motion filed indicating that you no longer want to enter a plea of guilty.
Correct.
All right. So my purpose in talking to you is just to determine whether you've had enough time with Ms. Schlax to discuss this matter with her.
Yes, we've got enough time.
Is this what you want to do?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And so if I do grant it, she's asking me to use my discretion, which means the state of Florida is willing to, I guess, keep whatever plea agreement you have entered in with them. That is what is it, 15 years to what? 15 years to life. Okay. Or Ms. Schlack's motion says that you want to try.
I didn't quite understand all of that. Here in the last.
Okay. What then? Do you want a moment with her?
I heard it, didn't understand it.
Move the microphone away, Ms. Schlack.
Okay.
So what do you want? Let me just put it simply. What do you want to do? Do you want to maintain your plea or do you want to try?
No, let's try.
All right. You got it. It's granted.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. The motion will withdraw. His plea is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We will proceed with discovery if we could have a pass date of approximately 3 weeks, Your Honor.
Has there been any participation? I don't think so.
My depositions, I have not. My first task will be getting transcripts for all the positions that have previously been taken.
Okay. So if the state would please facilitate that by, I think you filed in the Gardner Fernandez case, basically what has been accomplished. So if you could forward what you filed in their cases, they, for my purposes, have indicated that witnesses have been deposed already, and that should hopefully give you an opportunity to see what transcripts that you should work. Okay. What's the state's status on the discovery in this case? Okay. Does Mr. Tenon's case have the same level of electronic?
No, but I'll provide everything I provided in both co-defendants. So we'll still get, even if it may or may not be relevant to this case, we'll still get the entirety of the discovery that's been provided.
All right, now that Mr. Tenon is back in basically a pretrial posture, what is the state's intent?
To try it.
When?
As soon as Ms. Schlack's and the court are available, we're available. So,
All right.
obviously, she has to be caught up to speed, and August is realistic for her to do that.
Well, he's not joined, so I mean, I would set a different date. That would be my intent. Okay, so what we'll do, tell me what your availability is.
I would suggest, Your Honor, March 16th, Monday,
I'm out then.
the next Monday, the 23rd.
Is the state available?
Dates available the 23rd.
Okay, I'll see you then. So it'll be March 23rd, 9 a.m., and that's for pre-trial. I'm assuming he's waived.
If he has not, we would immediately do so, Your Honor.
Has he waived? Because we have to
I think
wait.
he's later on this meeting, yeah.
Okay, we need to get that accomplished today.
Your Honor, we can just pass it temporarily, I'll be happy to go over that with my client.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, strike 4-7 status hearing.
Correct,
Thank you.
thank you. There's, Ms. Schlatt, there's a